Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Super Sonic.Exe, okay? It's gonna be full body, it's gonna be simple. Let's get started, okay? I'm gonna be using this marker. You can use a pencil, you can use anything you want, so don't worry about it. Or you can just follow along because you also learn doing that. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start right here at his eyes. So down, line down, kind of the, you know, he has this kind of like angry look. Curve. Going over here on this side for the other side of the eye right there. Up over here on that side of the eye. I mean the top part of the left eye. Go over here, curve a line down to the far end, line underneath. I'm gonna go over here and find the nose first, so it's gonna be like more or less like the circle. I'm gonna fill it all in except for a little bit to leave room for like a highlight. Curve under here, travel underneath the eye on that side. Curve down over here on this side. Now I'm going to go here at the bottom, curve around that corner, curve around this corner for the sides of the mouth, and I'm going to just throw a curved line right here, like a swoop. You can do it in pieces if you want, like that. You don't have to hit it in one shot. Remember, if you want to get straight lines, like you really want to clean up your lines on everything, go check out sketchingeasy.com. That's the official website for here. Sketchingeasy.com, and check out click the dragon. It's like a logo with like a banner with a dragon on it. And as a beginner drawing lesson on how to keep steady and very, very simple exercises on how to start, you know, like if you've never drawn anything in your life, is geared toward that. Gonna go over here, circle. Because you want to get better at all drawing. It's gonna, you know, if you have your control on, it's gonna really make sense for that. So I'm gonna curve over here, dot in here, dot in here. So let me explain to you by control. So for example, when you write, you're writing like this, right? I have this part anchored when you're writing. When you're drawing, let's just say I'm pulling like a swoop like that. Do you see how this is different? I'm like moving at the elbow, a little bit at the shoulder. It's like the elbow and the shoulder, that combination wasn't really, you know, we never really practiced that for control. It's more for like lifting and stuff like that. But there's exercises you can do that you can very easily get control of that stuff. Super simple stuff. Go, like I said, check that out. There's no sign up, nothing. The lessons are on there because some people never get over that. Some people have messy lines their entire art career and they don't realize that you can get rid of it in a couple of weeks. I'm not joking. Curve here for the top of the brow, triangle, over here on this side, triangle, inner triangle, over here on this side, inner triangle. Let's go to the mouth, line right there, curve underneath, and then a zigzag for sharp teeth. Right there. All right. Cool. Now I'm gonna go over here, find a spike. That side. Over here now. On the other side. Over here now. On this side. Another one over here. Maybe pull that one down a little bit more. Pull over here. Back on this side as well. Sweet. So let's just take a step forward and fill the eye, the sclera in. Sclera is the white of the eye. You can do this in pencil as well, obviously. Sclera is the white of the eye, but it's dark in the EXE version of Supersonic. There we go. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw his body. So I'm gonna curve here. It's kind of got like a round-like body. Line over here, out. His arm is basically a tube. Like literally, it's like literally a tube. Curve over here, literally it's like a stick. Line over here. Let's go over here to the back spike. Up, down, down to connect with the body again. Downward. Up over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, you get a little bit better just kind of looking, even looking at lessons every day gets to be better because you're kind of working out problems as you watch me. But I mean, it'd be much better if you just do it. Line down for the leg, and the leg is also literally a tube. Line out for the other leg, down, slight bend right there. Over here now, circle for the chest. Over here, boom, boom, like almost like a 3 or an M, boom, boom, for kind of the, you connect them for the wrist, you know, for the cuff of the wrist there. So we're gonna go over here now to the hand, finger. Over here this side, the base of the thumb, back over here for the thumb, curve over here. Over here on this side for the other finger, and then you can throw like another finger in the back there. Go over here to the far side. That arm right there is basically a tube, like I said. Curve. 3 right there. M and 3. And then line right there. Don't forget to hit the like if you like this. Maybe I can add like, I don't know, like Super Sonic versus Sonic.Exe or something like that. Just let me know if you have any requests for any like versus stuff. I have a lot of versus ones on the channel. Curve for the thumb. Out over here for the hand. Right over here for the folded finger. Folded finger back to the palm. Maybe right here can draw like a curve here for the palm. Flat, flat for the shoes. Same thing. 3 and M. 3 and M. Go down here. He's gonna be floating. That's a huge difference as well. So the shoe's gonna be pointed down, up. It's gonna have a little bit of a turn there. Same thing on the other side. Up. Now we're gonna throw a big stripe over this. And there you go. That's Super Sonic.Exe. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments section. And then, yeah, request what you want. But if you do want to help out the channel and you want to help us grow, we're trying to get 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Hit the share button. When you share it, it does a lot. I mean, share it on Twitter, anywhere you want. Okay? Thank you so much. I will see you next time.